So this is a 5th sleeper. So we've got a single bed right here that can be pulled down. Super cute mural here, but really this is probably meant for a child, a teen. It's not that long, so you know, unless you're a smaller adult, it's really meant for a younger person. Storage underneath, which is great, and then there are some plugs and USB here. We have a queen, but we also have this Murphy bed. So if you don't need to use this additional bed, you can just keep it like this and have great seating area. It's super easy to come down. You have to move that table, but then you'll have the painting behind and another queen bed. And then really easy just to put right back up. All right, so next to the beds, you do have plugs and USB, which is great. Same on the other side. Some plugs down there as well. Really pretty slider door just to give the bathroom some more privacy. We'll pull that back open, and then we've also got a little coffee station here. Love the theming as well. The colors are so bright and fun. We've got a safe in here, recycling below, and right here we've got just a cooler, so not a full fridge. Won't keep it as cold as a fridge, so just keep that in mind. And then lots of other storage. Not as many plugs here as I would normally see like at Pop Century. There are just a few right here, so just keep that in mind. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Bathroom is beautiful. It just has a nice warmth to it with the lighting behind the mirror and the wood. So this right here has extra pillows and blankets, hanging ironing board, and there is a blow dryer right there if you need it. Additional storage down here. And then if you have some kiddos that need just a little bit of a riser, they've got that, which I think is a really great touch. And then the bath shower combo. Just a regular shower head, and then you have the H2O. Currently the products here, so not individual, but they'll refill them. And then really cute artwork. Yeah, this is a great space. I love what they've done to it. It's really bright and airy, and not over the top in terms of Little Mermaid, but definitely just those fun touches. And so this is a 5th sleeper in the Trinidad section. You have a better chance of getting this room if you book a 5th sleeper. I think all of the rooms here have a 5th sleeper versus there's just scattered 5th sleepers around the rest of the resort. So just keep that in mind if you were thinking of wanting to stay in this section. One last little note, cute little hidden Mickeys in the curtains. Just adorable.